temperature of 68 degrees occurred at 4:38 a.m. This low was 3 degrees above the normal low of 65. The record...
Finally.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lee County in central South Carolina, central Calhoun County in central South Carolina, northwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, eastern Richland County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Killian to near Eastover to near Brookdale, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Forest Acres, Camden, Dentsville, Shaw Air Base, McIntyre Air Base, Lake Watery Dam, St. Matthews, Eastover, Lugoff, Oakland, Seth Creek Centennial State Park, Lake Carolina, Fort Jackson, Westfield, villages in Sand Hill, Cassett, Elgin, and Horrell Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 74 and 115. Interstate 77 between mile markers 14 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for